First, I prepare 1 carrot. I slice the carrot into thin rounds. And then cut them into thin strips. Next, I put all the carrot strips into a bowl. Sprinkle about 1/2 teaspoon of salt on top and mix well. I let it sit for about 10 minutes so the salt can draw out some of the moisture from the carrot. While waiting, I wash and finely chop a few scallions, then place them in a large bowl. Next, I prepare 200 grams of peeled shrimp, mince them, and add them to the bowl with the scallions. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. By now, the carrots have soaked long enough. I use my hands to squeeze out all the excess water from the carrots. Then, I add the carrots to the bowl with the shrimp. Next, I add 2 teaspoons of flour, 1/3 teaspoon of oyster sauce, a pinch of salt, and a pinch of black pepper. Next, I will crack an egg into the bowl of mixture. Since I only need the egg white, I will use the eggshell to separate the yolk. Then mix well until all the ingredients combine into a sticky mixture. Now I prepare 3 rice paper sheets. Use scissors to cut each sheet into 4 equal pieces. And then lay each piece of rice paper on a cutting board. Next, I scoop a spoonful of filling and place it in the center of each rice paper sheet. Then use the back of the spoon to gently spread it out and create a slight indentation in the middle. I repeat this process with all the remaining pieces. Once finished, I prepare 12 quail eggs. Into the indentation in the center of each filling portion, I gently crack 1 quail egg, trying to keep the yolk intact so the final dish looks more appealing. It's so great to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Next, I place the pan on the stove, pour in just enough oil to cover about half of the rice paper, and heat it over medium heat. To check if the oil is hot enough, simply drop a small piece of rice paper into the pan. If it immediately floats to the surface and puffs up crisply, the oil has reached the right temperature. At this point, I use a spatula or large spoon to gently place each piece of rice paper into the pan. Fry over medium heat for about 30 to 40 seconds, then carefully flip it over and continue frying for another 30 to 40 seconds until the rice paper is golden and crispy, the filling is cooked through, and the quail eggs have just set. When the rice paper turns a beautiful golden color, I remove it and place it on paper towels to drain for about 1 minute. And there you have it, our delicious dish is ready to enjoy. It turned out perfectly cooked and looks absolutely amazing. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. 2. Egg cups. First, I prepare 4 heat-resistant glass cups. Using a brush, I coat the bottom and sides of the cups with a thin layer of oil to prevent sticking. Next, I crack 4 fresh eggs into each cup. I season each cup with a pinch of salt and black pepper. Then gently stir with a fork until the eggs are well combined. It's so great to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. I add 1 teaspoon of olive oil to each cup to make the dish richer and more aromatic. I wash and finely chop a small amount of cilantro, then divide it evenly among the cups. Next, I dice 1 tomato and add it to each cup. To enhance the flavor, I dice 2 slices of bacon and divide them evenly among the cups. Finally, I grate about 100 grams of cheese and sprinkle it evenly over all the cups. When finished, I will place the 4 cups in the air fryer tray. Then I transfer them to the air fryer to begin the cooking process. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. If you want the yolks to be fully cooked, you can increase the time to 12 minutes. After 10 minutes, I remove the baked egg cups from the air fryer. The cheese has melted completely, and the eggs are soft and creamy, with a rich, savory flavor that blends perfectly with the cherry tomatoes and bacon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is what motivates me to keep sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.